Today I will break it down super simple and explain you how to use them in your app. Let us start with basics. What are embeddings? Embeddings are mathematical representations of text, such as turning words or sentences into vectors. And you get big list of numbers. Because GPT doesn't understand English or German or French or Hindi. It understands math. For example, the sentence I love pizza becomes a dense vector with 1536 numbers in GPT-4. These numbers capture meanings, tone, or even context. Think of embeddings like dots in galaxy. I love pizza and I enjoy food will be nearby, while what's the weather like will be far away. GPT uses these embeddings to understand context and relevance. It is why it knows you are talking about food instead of weather. This is how search, semantic similarity, and memory works under the hood. Here is what most people get wrong with embeddings. They compare raw text instead of embeddings. They store long paragraphs without chunking. They skip dimensionality reduction or normalization. And they don't use cosine similarity when retrieving context. Here are the tips for you. Number 1. Use chunked passages. Number 2. Normalize vectors. Number 3. Use cosine similarity. Number 4. Recalculate when you update your documents. If you are anything building with RAG, memory or search, here is the right way. Split documents into meaningful chunks. Generate embeddings using OpenAI API or Azure OpenAI API. Store embeddings in a vector database, and for that you can use Pinecone, Redis, Azure AI Search or Wave8. Query by converting your user input into embeddings. Compare using cosine similarity, and last one is send top results into GPT prompt context. Embeddings are the secret sauce behind how GPT really understands you. And if you want better memory, smarter search, and relevant result, you should definitely use them.